Assalamualaikum. Welcome back, students of 8th class in the Lasania Switcher classes second semester. I am here as your science teacher. I hope you all will be fine and doing well. Today we will do our second and third day task. That is unit number 6, chemical reactions and chemical equations, reading, words meaning and bookwork. So let's get started. Here is our unit number 6, chemical reactions and chemical equations. First of all, you have to write second semester on page number 42. Next, a substance can be changed by heating it. एक substance change होता है इसको गर्म करने से. Adding water into it, mixing another substance. The change that take place will either by a physical or chemical change. There are two types of changes: chemical changes and physical changes. Types of chemical reaction: combination or synthesis. When two or more substances combine to form a single chemical substance, a combination or synthesis reaction take place. For example, iron and sulfur को जब गर्म किया जाता है, they form a new substance called iron sulfide. Decomposition: when a single chemical substance is broken down into two or more different substances, it is called as decomposition. Precipitation: when two solutions are mixed together and form a soluble product, the product is called a precipitation. For example, solution of sodium chloride and silver. Combustion is often called burning. When a chemical substance reacts with oxygen in the air, giving out heat and light. For example, magnesium burn जलती है in air to form magnesium oxide. Exothermic and endothermic reactions. A reaction which gives out heat is exothermic, the reaction between iron and sulfur. And exothermic reaction are an essential parts of our life. Some reaction take in heat while they are happening. They are called endothermic. The reaction that take place when you fry an egg and endothermic. जब आप एक egg fry करते हैं, इसको हम कहते हैं endothermic reaction. We have to write the chemical equation. Left side of the equation reactants होते हैं and the right side जो इनका product हासिल होता है, product means चीज़ों को मिला के जो एक product formula हासिल होता है, उसको हम कहते हैं products. For example, C plus O2 tends to carbon dioxide means CO2. Here is the bookwork of your unit number 6. First of all, question number 2, we have to find out the type of chemical reaction. First, iron and silver, synthesis. Next, carbon and oxygen, synthesis and combustion. Third, combustion. Next, decomposition. Fifth, decomposition. Sixth, precipitation, and the last one is also precipitation. Question number 3, write the chemical equation of the following. 2H2 plus O2 tends to 2H2O. H2 plus Cl2 tends to 2HCl. N2 3H2 tends to 2NH3. I2Cl2 2ICl. You have to write the formula. Next, 2P and 3Cl2 tends to 2PCl3. SO2 plus SO2 plus O2 क्या बनता है? Tends to 2SO3. Plus, there is the question number 4, write equation. First equation is copper plus sulfur, which tends to CuS. Next, 2Pb plus O2 tends to 2PbO. Question number 5, which of the following equation is balanced? Balance the equations which are not unbalanced. Number 1, zinc HCl tends to zinc Cl2 plus H2. We have to write the equation Zn plus 2HCl up to so on Zn Cl2 plus H2. You have to complete these 10 parts. Here are the answers in front of every equation. The equations which were balanced, we have to write this. Which are not balanced, we have balanced this. Here are the answer in front of the unbalanced equation. The one third part, fifth part, sixth part, eighth part, 9 and 10 parts. So students, that's all about our today's reading task. Fill up this bookwork and learn as well. Thanks.